Hello and welcome to Explain the Charts. Today, June 29th, 2025, we are diving deep into the USDCAD pair, looking at both the news and the charts to help you make informed trading decisions. First, let's address the current events. Recent news indicates that trade talks between the US and Canada have abruptly ended, a move announced by President Trump as a result of Canada's digital services tax. This has injected significant volatility into the currency pair. Now, let's turn to the charts. We'll start with the daily chart to get a broader perspective of the USDCAD's movement over the past year and a half. We can see considerable choppiness, with no clear long-term trend established. There have been massive drops in the price on several occasions, with no clear recovery. Let's zoom in on a smaller period of time to get a better view. Looking at the daily chart between January 1st, 2025 and today, it shows significant volatility, characterized by large swings. For example, the steep drop in the middle of November 2024 and January 2025. Considering the earlier news about trade talks collapsing and the volatility of the price, one would have to assume there is a high correlation. Let's switch to the hourly chart to examine more recent price action. This gives us a more granular view of potential short-term opportunities. Here we can see that the USDCAD has been trading within a relatively tight range for the past few weeks. Specifically, let's examine the range between June 23, 2025 and today. We can see the price hit a high of around 1.3758, then dropped before hitting a low of 1.3616 and has since struggled to meaningfully rise above 1.37 again. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can see more immediate price fluctuations. The price seems to be hovering around 1.374. It may consolidate at this range before breaking off in either direction. Given the current situation, there's a lot of uncertainty. A break above 1.3750 would signal a potential bullish move, while a break below 1.3600 could lead to further declines. Important levels to watch are 1.3600 as a key support and 1.3750 as a key resistance. In the short term, it seems likely that the price will remain range-bound.